Startling statistics this evening from the United Nations Children Fund, UNICEF, about the level of violence against Jamaican children as a form of discipline. The report has forced Prime Minister Andrew Holness to tell parliamentarians they will decide if Jamaica should ban the beating of children all across the country. The Prime Minister was speaking in Gordon House this afternoon. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm reports.
Consider this. Every 7 minutes, a teenager is killed by an act of violence somewhere in the world. That's according to UNICEF's report called A Familiar Face: Violence in the Lives of Children. In Jamaica, UNICEF says police statistics show a 36% increase in the murder of children. 47 children have been murdered up to October 21 this year, compared to 32 for the same period last year. The report also noted that 8 out of 10 children ages 2 to 14 experience some form of violent discipline. It's statistics like those that prompted the Prime Minister to call for a change in how children are disciplined. Andrew Holness wants Parliament to consider banning the beating of children and adults, period.
While it is not a consensus across the aisle or even a consensus within the political parties about banning corporal punishment totally in the country, I wish to declare that I am totally against corporal punishment, and that I believe that the time has come for the Parliament to have a debate on this issue and finally declare corporal punishment at an end, both within public institutions and as a means of discipline available to parents.
And just in case that was not clear,
all institutions and the homes, I think that is where we really should go.
Mr. Holness believes it would send a strong message that violence is not a good way to solve problems. Member of Parliament for Central Kingston Ronald Thwaites weighed in on the matter.
There is a great deal that we will have to clear up in this country regarding the abuse to all manner of human persons who are vulnerable and who are in a weak state. And we look forward and indeed encourage the debate on the particular aspect regarding corporal punishment, which the Prime Minister has indicated.
Mr. Thwaites and the Prime Minister were underscoring Jamaica's commitment to the 17 Sustainable Development Goals outlined by the United Nations. They include no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, and gender equality. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.